boys and girls, I'm Miss Sparkle, and today we're going to be learning about the sound that the letter C makes. C says k, k, k. Can you do that? K, k, k. Put your hand in front of your face, k, 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 and you can feel a little bit of air coming out. K, k, k. Ooh, k, k, k. It also makes the same sound that the letter S makes. So sometimes the C makes a sound. So in our first picture, it is the word city. So city sounds like city. And then we have celery, celery. And next we have cake. And we have cone. So that's the letter C. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the mystery box? Sing it with me. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the mystery box? Oh, let's find out what's in the mystery box. Oh my goodness. Ooh, what's this? Car. Can you feel that breath? Car. And we have a camel. Camel. You say it. Camel. And we have a, oh, look. I'm going to take a picture of you with my camera. Camera. Ooh. What's this? Yummy. It's a cookie. Cookie. And we have meow, meow, a cat, cat, and some, ooh, num, 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 num. What's this? Corn, corn. Say it with me. Corn. Very good. And we have our, oh, there we go. Capital C and our lowercase c. Capital C, lowercase c. And what does it sound like? But sometimes it sounds like s, right? But most of the times it sounds like Now, let's put our mystery items away. And if you have a printer, you can print off the lesson we're going to do. We're going to make a headband today. Okay, we have a cowboy, jack-o'-lantern, cat, corn, elephant, and a nurse. Now, let's see here. Cowboy, cowboy. Does that sound like? Yes, it does. So you're going to color your cowboy. I'm going to color my cowboy. Color my cowboy really nice. Make sure you color really nice. Now, what about jack-o'-lantern? Does that sound like? No, it doesn't. So we're going to make an X on it. No way. What about cat? Cat. Yes. So color your cat. I'm going to make a gray cat. What about corn? Yes, it does. Color your corn. What about elephant? Say no. X it out. What about nurse? Nurse. Nope. X it out. Oh, we have 3 things that we're going to cut out. And we're going to glue on our headband. So first I'm going to cut the items out that I need. So I just cut a straight line down. I think it makes it easier. Cat. I'm going to go. I don't need the jack-o'-lantern. That's my trash pile. There's my 3. Now, if you're going to make a headband, we need to be really careful. And I'm going to make a straight line all the way across because we're going to keep this for our headband. So I'm going to cut a straight line all the way across. And we're going to save this for our headband. Now I'm going to cut up, over. And remember, at any time you can pause the video because I'm probably going much faster than you because I've been coloring and cutting and gluing a long time. And the thing that I want to make sure that you do is you do a really good job. And if you go fast, it might not be a very good job. Oh, I'm going to color my C. I'm going to make it blue. Color my C. C sounds like what? K, k, k. And sometimes it sounds like what? S. But most of the time it sounds like k, k, k. Okay, now I'm going to use my glue. Oh, you know what? It's not working very well, so I'm going to close it up and I'm going to pick off that top. And that's the trash. So I'm going to open it back up. Oh, still has some. Put it back up and now it's going to glue much better. Now when we glue, we want it to be a secret. We don't want anybody to see the glue oozing out. So we're going to use a tiny, tiny dot. Ever so tiny. Can you see that? It is so tiny. That's going to hold our paper. That tiny of a dot is going to hold our paper. So I make 3 tiny dots. And I'm going to glue on my cowboy, cowboy, and my corn, and my cat. And then I'm going to make a little dot right here. Tiny, tiny dot. I'm going to take my paper, my little extra paper that I kept. I'm going to glue it on the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should hold. I'm going to make a dot over here. Now this is the hard part. We have to take our paper under and over to glue it right there at the very edge to make our crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Now if yours is oozy, you're going to want to wait a while to put it on your head or you'll have glue all in your hair and that is not very fun. So mine is good. So I can put my crown on my head. I have my sea crown. I hope you had so much fun with me today, boys and girls. If you could like the video and subscribe to my channel and maybe share it with your friends, that would be amazing. Until I see you again, make sure you keep learning about that letter C and the sound that it makes. Peace, love, sparkles.